What's up, guys? Emezi here. Today, I think I'm going to be flipping a little guitar sample I made on Sunday. Happy New Year. I hope everybody's safe and doing well. Let's jump into it. Alright, here we are. I'm going to play it out first so you guys get a little listen to what everything sounds like. Just something I made a couple days ago. Maybe I want to pitch it up a little bit. I like that. Add the snare to it. If you're gonna change the sound of something and you have Ableton, make sure you always warp it and put it in like Complex or Complex Pro before you change the octave on it, or it'll automatically time stretch it. Do not want that. It takes more time. Alright, I think I'm gonna add the kick now. Let's go.